and welcome to the Lifestyle Network. Are you in pain, perhaps physically, mentally, emotionally? Pain meaning something that you just can't fix, dicky knee, a sore back, or you've been trying to lose weight and you just can't seem to make that happen, or at least make it sustainable. Or are you struggling with some mental patterns that are holding you back from achieving your goals? I certainly have been there. I understand what that feels like, and I implore you, don't put up with it. I want you to become intolerant of pain. If you're intolerant of pain, you'll seek a solution, just as I did. So I've coached thousands of people similar to you who've been in pain, sought solutions, unable to find them, and I helped them find that solution. They are pain-free. I want you to experience that. I don't want you to be in pain for the rest of your life. Believe me, if you don't take action today to correct that painful situation, it's going to get worse, and I don't want that for you. So what I'd love you to do is put your name and address into the little opt-in box just down there, and I will send you some information that will change your health sustainably forever. Just 3 simple tips to change your body to an alkaline situation that is disease-free, reduce the stress in your day, therefore stop storing cortisol and become a fat-burning machine. Don't we love that? And have a sustainable eating habit that is going to correct your health while you sleep. If you opt in now, I can give you that download for free, and we'll get that ball rolling. I would love that for you. I would love that just as much as I've loved helping the people that I've coached up until now. Do it now, do it today, and then we'll get on board and achieve that for you. Thank you so much for being here, listening and joining the Lifestyle Network. Plenty more to come, so stay tuned. Thank you.